Hello everybody, Aditi here from PTE Universe. Today we have Probita from Perth, Australia. Probita has joined PTE Universe few days back and she has got her desired band score today. She got 672 out of 90, speaking 79, writing 58, reading 58 and listening 61. Many congratulations Probita.
Thank you so much. So I would say, for me, personally, it was just within 1 month. I just joined the class, and in 2 weeks, I did the practice and all. So I got like my scoring like desiring one. And what I would like to suggest to other students, so if you want to get your desired score, so you need to be you need to attend all the classes. You will get the tips which part or the scoring one, and you should also be doing practice and do the mock exams. And for me, all most of the mock exam that I did, my scoring came bit similar because most of them was around 70, 69, my mock exams, the scoring. And for the real one also, I got 72. So you can do practice on alpha. It's good. And also, uh, when you will do practice, you will get to know which part is your weakness. So you can do more practice on that one, and it will be very helpful. And here all the teachers also, they're very helpful. If you ever need any help, you can just ask them. So yes, it was a good experience. It was less time, but it's good. It's just like you need to put more effort and a little bit more sacrifices also. Yeah.
So, Prabita, would like to know more about your band requirements, how you got the scores in the very first go and in the very less time. So, how PT Universe helped you.
So it helped me, like I had no idea about like how is it. I was stressing myself like I'm going to fail. How is it, like the feedback I was getting? But then I joined PTE. So I joined in, and I joined the classes. So in the classes, it describe you like more specifically. You know, we have 4 band, and give you more details, and like it's very helpful also how you can answer your questions. For example, the summarizing one, now you have the group summarizing. So like the teacher, she gave us the idea how you can just write down all your ideas because you have to be quick. But the tips that I got, like it was very helpful for me. So it's like advantageous, like you join all the classes, you do your practices, so it's going to be very helpful. If you just you paid for the course, now you're not joining the classes, so you of course you won't gain anything. So you have to put your time also, and you will get good result.
So, Prabita, talking about the changes in PT, I remember when you joined, when you called me up, you were really very stressed. PT has changed. Maybe I will not pass. Maybe I will pass. And
Yeah.
yes, Aditi. So, since now you've taken exam, you passed PT. There are a lot of people who are really stressed. So, how would you like to motivate them?
So for me, my feedback would be like the feedback that I got, it was not that good because most of the people was telling me, oh, it's difficult. I'm doing it multiple time and all. But the feedback that I'm going to give, it's like a PT is not difficult at all. It's easy. It's just that you need to do your practice. And if you have like no idea, join the classes. You will get the tips from the teachers. They will explain to you. So it's just you have to do practice and get yourself like used to that app. Like you will get the idea how was the questions, you get familiar with it because for the real exam it's just the same, just different questions. So my suggestion is that it's not difficult at all. You just need practice and proper guidance.
So, talking about templates, Prabita, there are a lot of rumors in the market that templates are not working in PT. So, you have used templates in your exam. Do you think
Yeah.
templates are working in exam?
Yes, it's very helpful because just like I said before, like the template, it's like it gives you the guidance, like how you can start. For example, for the describe image, like you have that template because I had like no idea what is it, what I have to talk. But then I followed that template, like what are the wording, how you need to start, and then you just keep on talking, don't like stop, like whatever you're saying, you just keep on talking. So the template are very helpful, like it gives you like it's very helpful, like you can use a template, it helps you to score more, like you get the idea how you can proceed. So yeah, it's very helpful.
Thank you. Talking about mock test evaluation, I remember your exam was the next day. You sent me the mock test, you get it evaluated, you took the feedback. I wrote a couple of things, I talked to you. So, how do you think that mock test evaluation and feedback helped you get the score?
So the feedback was very helpful for the evaluation, because like you told me which are the sections that I need to practice more. So I did practice like more, and like just I said, because when you do practice, you know where is your weaknesses. So then you can focus more on that one, and like it's helpful for you also to improve yourself, like where is your weakness so you can do more practice on it. So yeah, and also you should not be stressed like for the real exam, because when you're stressed, like you just so you have to be like, my suggestion is that do more practice and join the classes for you to get the tips and all. Yeah.
Probita, talking about PT attempts, there are a lot of people who are taking multiple attempts and still not passing exam. You passed PT in the very first go. So, how would you recommend such students who are just taking PT exam again and again?
So I would recommend them, because when I was uh, like I joined the classes, there was some students that I could feel like this saying like, I'm just working, I don't have time to join the classes. So these are just excuses. If you really want to gain it, you have to work for it, you have to do your sacrifices. Because even for me, I had classes, I studies and working, but I like removed my time because I know it's important also. So my suggestion would be like, it's up to that person also, because if they really want to achieve it, so you have to do your sacrifices. And like it's best for you to join the classes, because during the coaching also, like the teachers give you some you can do the online, like they will see how you're working the online questions. You can put your screen recording, so they will see like how you're working, and they give you the feedback live. And also whatever task that the teachers are giving you, just do it and do your practice, do more like mock exams, and you can go back to them after your practice, like to get the feedback on how you're working and what should be what are your weaknesses and where you need to improve yourself. So the coaching online, like it's very, for me it was very helpful. So it's advantageous also, like you should be joining the classes, because you will get an idea how it is. Because if you're not joining, you paid for it and you're not joining the class, so you're not going to get the idea how it is. So of course you will fail. So
So,
yeah,
so how was your experience with the PT Universe?
my experience, it's short but it's good. Like I wanted to pass my exam, so I did my sacrifices and I joined the classes, and the teachers, the coaching was very good. Even like whenever I had any doubt, and also you need to ask questions. If you don't understand anything, just tell on the spot, they will again explain it to you. Because if you're not saying anything, the teachers on the other side, they won't know that you're not understanding. They will assume that, oh yeah, they understood everything. So if you have any confusion, just raise your hand, you have it on the app, and you ask the question and they will explain it back to you again. So you should be joining the classes and do your practice and you will pass.
So, Prabita, I remember you're working. So, managing PT exam with job is not that easy. And getting
No.
scores in the very first go is really very, very good and a bit bit tedious task. So, how did you manage your job and PT exam?
So I did some sacrifices, like late night I had to do the practice because during the day it's not possible for me. It was not possible for me because I had my work and my studies. So I did some sacrifices, like till late night do my practice. So it up to that person also how it is. I know it's difficult also, you feel sleepy. So sometime what I used to do, like I came home maybe 7 o'clock, take my shower, everything. When I used to do the practice, I feel sleepy. So then I was like, okay, let me sleep and then I can wake up early. Your mind is more fresh. So it depends on that person also. You have to do some sacrifices. It's not easy. So I did like this, like I try to manage myself, like I did my planning how I'm going to do it. Like when I came back home, like sometime when I feel too tired, because your body feels tired also, you can rest yourself, and after that you can like maybe wake up early. For some people it's like they can do it before, like late night, till late night they can work, but for some it's not easy. So then you can wake up, because you have to do this sacrifice, because during the day you won't have the time. So at night time at least, because for me what I did also, we have 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking and writing. So maybe you have 7 days. Monday maybe you're doing on reading, and Tuesday maybe you're doing, like you classify it according to you, and the one that you feel you need more practice, so you do more practice on it. And maybe during a weekends, I think you might have a bit more time, so then you can practice the mock exam also. Like that's how I did my, for me, like I classify it according to my time also, and divided it, like because in one day you can't do speaking and like writing. So like focus on one, and yeah, you will achieve it.
So, what is your feeling now after passing PT? I know it is not that easy. It was a very, very, very difficult journey. So, what is the feeling now? How are you feeling now?
So right now I'm feeling like very happy. In the beginning I was a little bit upset because like I because I knew like I did a bit bad, but then when I'm thinking as a side, it's like it's good. I'm feeling good because it's my first attempt and I got this mark. So I'm like, yeah. So all the sacrifices that I did, it's worth it. So yeah, so you have to, I'm feeling very good, like happy. I got the score, like even though in the beginning I was little upset with myself, but now I'm like, oh yeah, I got it, because some people like for the first time getting this score mark, and even in just 2 weeks I started to be serious. Like in the beginning I joined the classes, everything, I got the idea how it is, like getting myself adapted to that, like the studies, how it goes on. But then the practice, it has been on 2 weeks only.
So,
Yeah.
Probita, there are a lot of people who are struggling in PT. For them, PT is really very important. So, what would you recommend to them? What would be your final message to people who are struggling so they can also pass like you?
So my message to them, it's like you need to know what is your scoring desire first, and then join the classes. Don't be shy. Like talk, ask questions, whatever doubt you have, you ask the questions. Teachers are here; they will help you, and also you have everything. You just need to do your practice. And if you have, I know you, all people here are working, studying, so it's difficult. So you can manage it by just like I did, like maybe for one day, I have time, so you just focus on reading. Maybe the next day you do another one, like speaking. So this way also it will help you to know where is your weaknesses, and you can improve yourself. And you need to do sacrifice and try to remove time. It's just excuse that you say, no, I don't have time. But if you really want it, so try to remove your time, do your practice, and try to simplify it. Don't complicate it, and don't be stressed. Like it's easy, it's not difficult.
So, thank you so much, guys. This was Probita from Perth, Australia. Probita has got wonderful scores because she got trained for a very less period of time, as her exam was already booked. But in very less time, she got 72 out of 90, which is commendable. Speaking 79, listening 61, and reading and writing 58. With a lot of hard work, as she mentioned, and a lot of smart work. She took the right guidance. Instead of wasting money on taking her exam again and again, she chose us. She chose PT Universe. She took the right guidance and the right strategies she used, because of which the scores are really, really nice. Many, many congratulations, dear.
You.